Hello, my name is Nicole Swanson and this is my ad assignment. The article that I chose from the textbook relates to development, specifically development in a prenatal environment. The name of my article is Garlic Ingestion by Pregnant Women Alters the Odor of Amniotic Fluid. The reference to the article and the credited authors are presented on this slide. Introduction. A mother's food preferences during pregnancy can influence her child's food preferences after they are born. This article is concerned with how a pregnant mother's diet can affect her unborn child because almost everything that a woman is exposed to during pregnancy can possibly transfer to her developing baby. The authors were specifically interested in how odors from foods could be transferred to amniotic fluid. The authors hypothesized that a fetus will be exposed to certain foods in their mother's diet during pregnancy because they may be detectable in amniotic fluid. The authors observed 10 healthy pregnant women in their second trimester. 5 of the women were given a placebo pill while the other 5 were given a pill containing garlic extract. During an amniocentesis, 5 milliliters of amniotic fluid was collected from each woman and frozen at -40 degrees Celsius. Adults with acceptable smell capabilities were then individually given one sample of amniotic fluid from both a woman who took the garlic extract and a woman who took the placebo pill. These adults were then asked to identify which sample smelled the strongest of garlic. The results showed that the amniotic fluid from the women that took the garlic extract smelled stronger of garlic compared to the amniotic fluid from the women that took the placebo pills. In conclusion, the results of this experiment were consistent with the hypothesis because the amniotic fluid carried the odor of the food that the mother ingested. This shows that a developing fetus is susceptible to a mother's choices during her pregnancy, which may affect them later in life. The ad that I chose shows a mother nursing her baby, but a fast food hamburger is displayed on her breast where the baby is nursing from. On her other breast, the words, "Your child is what you eat," are displayed. The advertisement demonstrates the idea that a mother's choices, even food-wise, affect her baby inside and outside of the womb. The ad is pushing pregnant or nursing mothers to be cautious about the things they eat because of how it may affect their baby. How the ad could be changed to test my analysis. The ad could be changed by replacing the unhealthy burger with a healthier food choice such as an apple. Using healthy food instead of fast food will not change the science behind the concept, but the healthy food will urge the mother to make better decisions, while the unhealthy food may make the mother feel bad about the decisions she is already making. This concludes my ad assignment. Thank you for watching.